Hi, my Bitcoin followers! Google joins in the Bitcoin game. New updates are coming daily about Google and Bitcoin partnerships. So, in today's video, we're going to see what's going to happen after Google joins the Bitcoin game. Without further ado, let's begin. Google has updated its advertising policy to allow cryptocurrency wallets to advertise globally. Google GOOG is revising its advertising policy to let cryptocurrency wallets advertise with them, along with exchanges, starting August 3rd, provided that they are either registered with the Financial Crimes Enforcement Network, FinCEN, or a federal or state chartered bank entity. The new policy will apply globally to Google Search and its third-party sites, including YouTube, Gmail, or Blogger. The expanded policy comes 3 years after Google banned all crypto-related advertising in March of 2018. However, Google walked back on the policy 5 months later, allowing regulated cryptocurrency exchanges such as Coinbase to advertise in the United States and Japan in September 2018. While expanded to allow cryptocurrency exchanges and wallets to advertise, ads for initial coin offerings, ICOs, decentralized finance, DeFi, trading protocols, or promotions of specific cryptocurrencies are not permitted under the new policy. Revising this policy could be a boon to their advertising sales, which generated $147 billion in revenue, making up more than 80% of Alphabet's total revenue. Public interest in cryptocurrencies and crypto exchanges has ballooned in recent months as a result of Coinbase's direct listing in April, and the record-breaking Bitcoin rally when the leading crypto reached its all-time high price of $64,671.23. The industry has also seen a surge of traditional institutional players like Fidelity and JP Morgan (JPM) offer crypto investment services. Worldwide search interest in cryptocurrency exchanges and wallets is down from their peak in mid-May. However, the levels are still elevated. It remains to be seen how this reversal in policy will lead to a further loosening on other major advertising platforms that have placed restrictions on crypto firms. In 2018, Facebook banned all ads promoting cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin and initial coin offerings. A few months later, Facebook edited the policy to introduce an eligibility review process for those looking to advertise certain cryptocurrency products or services. Applicants should submit any licenses, listings on public stock exchanges, or other relevant public background. Twitter, similar to Facebook and Google, prohibits the advertisement of initial coin offering or crypto token sales but allows exchanges or wallet services provided by a publicly traded crypto company to advertise with them, provided as long as they comply with local laws. Also, digital asset platform Bakkt has announced a partnership with Google to introduce digital assets to millions of consumers. With the partnership, Bakkt says consumers will benefit from the expanded reach and access to cryptocurrencies. Intercontinental Exchange's digital asset platform, Bakkt, announced Friday that it has partnered with Google to introduce digital assets to millions of consumers. By forming a partnership with Google, Bakkt said consumers will benefit from expanded reach and access to digital assets. Launched in 2018 by Intercontinental Exchange Inc., the parent company of the New York Stock Exchange, NYSE, Bakkt enables institutions and consumers to buy, sell, store, and spend digital assets, including cryptocurrencies. Bakkt explained that users will be able to add their virtual Bakkt Visa debit card into Google Play to purchase everyday goods and services online, in-store, or wherever Google Pay is accepted. Cryptocurrencies, such as Bitcoin, will be converted to fiat currencies for these payments to occur, the company clarified. Several other cryptocurrency platforms have added Google Pay, including BitPay and the Nasdaq-listed crypto exchange Coinbase. The former added Google Pay for U.S. cardholders to spend cryptocurrencies in August, while the latter enabled Coinbase card users to pay via Apple Pay and Google Pay in June. If you're enjoying the video, then make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more interesting videos about Bitcoin. In addition, Bakkt said that it has selected Google Cloud as its preferred cloud provider. The company will market its solutions powered by Google Cloud to lending retailers and merchants in the US. Bakkt also plans to leverage Google Cloud's tools to build new analytics along with artificial intelligence, AI, machine learning, ML, and geolocation functionality on its platform. Bakkt CEO Gavin Michael opened this partnership as a testament to Bakkt's strong position in the digital asset marketplace to empower consumers to enjoy their digital assets in a real-time, secure, reliable manner. Kristen Kliphaus, Google Cloud's president of North America, commented, "We are proud to help Bakkt accelerate and scale the availability of their innovative solutions powered by our technologies." The next news is, the price of Bitcoin soared past the 55K handle on Wednesday for the first time in 4 months, giving proponents hope the crypto bull run has been reignited. Speculators are predicting a Bitcoin exchange-traded fund (ETF) will be approved soon, and some believe Bitcoin will outperform other crypto assets this month. While 13 digital currencies outperformed Bitcoin (BTC) this past week, BTC has been a top performer, gathering 34.2% over the last 7 days. On Wednesday, statistics indicate that BTC gained more than 7% in value and tapped a daily high of $55,800. One of the reasons behind Bitcoin's price spike is the rumor that an exchange-traded fund (ETF) may get a green light from the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC). Bloomberg ETF analyst Eric Balchunas discussed his opinion of the possibility on October 2nd and shared a screenshot of the odds. Balchunas also mentioned SEC Chairman Gary Gensler, calling him Gens, and how he likes the future version of the Bitcoin ETFs. Yes, the SEC has kicked the can on Bitcoin ETF approval, Balchunas tweeted, but that is for the physically backed ones under 33 Act. The future ETFs filed under the 40 Act, which Gens loves, are very much alive and likely on schedule. We think 75% chance approved in October. In addition to the odds from the ETF analyst, the mobile hedge fund and investment firm backed by A16Z, Kevin Durant, Ashton Kutcher, and Will Smith, Titan, revealed that the actively managed crypto fund for Titan clients will be changing positions in the space to put more weight behind Bitcoin. We've slimmed our other positions to put our weight behind Bitcoin. We believe it's Bitcoin's time to shine, Titan said on Wednesday evening, EST. After a very rocky end to September in the crypto markets, October has kicked off with meaningful gains. Some were surprised that Bitcoin held 40K through September, despite an onslaught of bad news, Titan added. But, as noted in our previous update, on-chain data continued to show bullish border accumulation trends by institutionalized investors and whales, who seemed wholly unfazed in spite of heightened volatility. We've seen Bitcoin spike as high as 55K this week, but we see more room to run. The crypto derivatives exchange, Delta Exchange, and its CEO Pankaj Balani share a similar view that BTC is expected to outperform other crypto assets. Bitcoin has spiked up after its seasonal correction in September, Balani said in a note sent to Bitcoin.com News. The price action looks very bullish given that there's strength in Bitcoin despite weaknesses in global macro. Bitcoin has also digested all the negative news that has come out of China in the past few weeks, which is a very positive sign, Balani added. There has been fresh spot buying activity in Bitcoin, and looking at the price action, we expect to see a fresh ATH in the coming weeks. So guys, let me know down in the comment section below. Can Google prove itself to be a game changer in crypto industry? For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome and interesting videos related to Bitcoin. Have a nice day, and I'll see you in the next video.